Hello guys, welcome to TechMix. In this video, I will show you how you can link your Ubisoft account to a Steam. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Super easy cheat code, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to make sure that you have your Soft Connect app, or you can go to ubisoftconnect.com and do from a web. And once you have an app, you just need to log into your account here on the top right corner. And then you need to go to Edit My Profile here, and then you will be redirected to the web ubisoftconnect.com, and you will be automatically logged in here. And so here you need to press on your Account Pro on your profile icon on the top right corner. And then you need to go to Account Management. And on this back end of your Ubisoft account, you should see Account Information. You need to press on that. And then scroll down until you see the linked accounts. And here should be Steam Network, or just press arrow here, and here it should be somewhere Steam Network, right? So just press link. And then what we need to do here next is to, as you can see here, you need to put your Steam account email address and then password. And after you put your account in details, you just need to press authorize. And in that way, you will link your account, right? So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more.